Hello friends, it is day 3 of Beginner Sewing Week, and in this video I'm going to show you how I make these super easy coffee cup cozies. You can make these in so many different patterns and colors, and they truly are so easy. Perfect beginner practicing thing for you to make, and they really take no time at all. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Let's go! I'm going to use these little fat quarters. These are from Walmart. They're Mario, and I think they're so fun. So we're going to use some of these. If you're a Mario fan, comment down below and tell me who your favorite character is. This is mine. I love him. So I think I'm going to use him. Yoshi, and let's do the mushrooms on the inside. That's kind of fun. Kind of fun. You can use, there's a ton of different things you can use, put inside of your things to like hold the hot, but I'm just going to use this because I have it and I didn't want to buy anything new. Now I used the Dollar Tree cutting mats to make my own pattern for this. I just used a Starbucks cup sleeve and then traced it and cut it out. That makes kind of a nice reusable pattern. So here it is. And we'll just cut everything down to fit this size. We'll make this a little teensy bit smaller. You can also cut this out by hand if you want. So there's our batting, mat lining, middle, whatever. Now we'll cut this out the same size. Now these I want to be facing the right way, so I'm going to pay attention to the way my fabric is facing. I don't want to cut it this way and then have them all be sideways in the end. So I'm going to cut it this way. I'm going to rough cut it first. And you've got the measurements there if you want to make your own pattern. Be my guest. I like to draw it on there just in case I move my fabric as I'm twisting this around. I know how to realign everything. See, like that. So now I can just line this back up with what I've drawn and still follow my pattern. Ugh, Fargle Nargles. I probably should have pressed this first, so maybe I'll go do that now. No, I will do it after I cut it, because my lines will erase with heat. Joy! I'm gonna have to touch that little line up though, because it does not look very good. Ugh. My new blade's cannot come soon enough, I tell you what. Okay, now I'm gonna go press this so it looks better. Just iron her out a little bit. Much better. So now we'll do the same thing with Yosh. Baby is moving and grooving. He's having the time of his little life so far. I'm ready to not be pregnant anymore, but I'm not ready for him to come yet because I have too much to do. So he needs to just stay in there as long as he needs to. I mean, we're only at barely the 3rd trimester, so there's time for sure. Okay, got our piece here and it's going to wrap around like this. Okay, so now we've got our 2 pieces and this is really so easy. So we're going to use a little bit of this guy. Now I've seen a ton of these with buttons on them, you know, like a snap closure. And I never liked that. I just like to just, you know, slide it on my coffee cup. I'm gonna line this up with the top. Okay, so now we've got one piece here, and then we've got our other piece, and I'm gonna put those face down on each other. Okie dokie, artichoke. I'm keeping the edge of my fabric lined up with this little edge of my foot here. Okay, so I'm going to turn this right side out. Okay, so now all of that's inside. I'm going to press this so everything's nice and flat and our seams are nice and flat. Okay, so we've got everything nice and pressed, and now I'm gonna do a top stitch along both of these to keep everything in place. And I'm gonna try and stay as close to the edge as I possibly can. Now this is my inside, this is my outside. So I'm gonna put my inside on the outside and then I'm gonna sew a straight stitch right there. And then we're just gonna turn her right side out. And that's it. How cute is that? A little cup cozy. You can see the little guys inside. Cute. So here's what the cozy looks like on a grande Starbucks cup. It's a perfect fit, so cute. These are so easy to make, and I love that you don't have to use any buttons or snaps or anything. These truly are so beginner friendly. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit the thumbs up button down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already, and I'll see you tomorrow for another beginner sewing video. Okay, love you. Bye.